Hello and welcome to TechTricks. This video demonstrates how to create ISO file. I am using image burn for create ISO files. Firstly, I open image burner, then click to create image file. Select your file according to your need to create a ISO file. After that, go to Advanced Setting and select your file. Click to UEFI. Go to Destination option and save your file according to your name preference. Click to OK for the next 3 to 4 pop-up signs. Delete the burner file as it's not needed. You can also open this app on WinRAR. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.